quick. Mama, come on, baby, tell me what's the word.
We're gonna hit this right here. Yeah, right here. Up, body roll to the right. Make that big. Step this right foot forward. Right, tap, roll, roll.
2,
circle it out.
You don't care. Fly back,
run it.
as they start to look and say, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Wake 'em up.
We're gonna do this lots of times.
Baby, tell me what's the word.
Slide right. So, 1, 2, 3, slide left. Ball change.
When you hear the call,
Right.
you got to get it underway.
Again, left side. Boom. Slide right. Ball change right.
No matter where you
1, 2, 3, go.
know that you'll be heard. Sucker
Right from the beginning.
DJs who think you fly. There's got to be a reason, and we know the reason
Right foot
why.
steps
You
forward.
try to put on those airs
Slide back,
and
roll it.
act real
Get ready for that
cool.
jump.
You got to realize that you're acting like fools. There's music, we get music, we need to dance. We don't have the time for psychological romance. No romance, no romance, no romance for me. Mama, come on, baby, tell me what's the word.
Slide. Hey. Ball change. Left.
When you hear the call,
Right.
you got to get it underway. It's the code word. No matter what you say, you know that you'll be heard.
Watch, you're gonna go down. Down. Up. Right. Left. Down. Up. Back. Channel your inner cheerleader. All right, here we go.
W-O-R-D, we're coming up.
This one's a little tricky, but we do it lots and lots of times, over and over, okay?
So do your dance, do your dance, do your dance quick. Mama, come on, baby, tell me
Now it's time to get it. Let's go. From the top.
everybody say. When you hear the call, you got to get it
Step forward. Here we go. Take it on. Hop, slide, run it.
You'll be heard.